It's all about removing the friction, the heartburn from the actual transaction process. I talk to so many shop owners and customers on a daily basis, and there's two things that always that ring in my head every single time that I have a conversation with them. And some of them happen even in our own software company. I'm not a shop owner. I work with shop owners. I know enough to be dangerous, but one of my biggest pet peeves and one of the biggest things that I always tell our people is don't let our internal complications affect the customer. So whether that's billing, whether that's internal systems, whether that's integrations that don't necessarily work together, we have to find a way to make it easy for the customer, not harder. And how many times have you gone to, I don't know, a retail store or a restaurant or something else, and you probably look at it yourself and you say, oh man, this is way harder than what it probably needed to be. You gotta, every day you should be obsessed with making it easier for your customers. And that's probably the biggest piece where payments come into play. Is that's the number one goal for the shop. Get paid. You're providing a service, you're an expert at that service, you should collect money. That's a very valuable service, and you should get to that point with it. So payments largely should not necessarily be this huge, robust, big, hairy, audacious thing that you're trying to get to. It should be a part of the process, just like your inspections, just like your online service scheduler, just like bringing customers in the door and taking that first phone call from them. All of it should be really put together in the same vein as removing friction from the process and making it a very easy, I don't want to say transaction because that seems so one time, because you want to keep them coming back. But think about the best experiences that you've had at your favorite restaurant. Typically it's because you can get in there, you can get seated very easily, you get your food and it's always consistent. They bring you your bill and you get out the door in 30 minutes, 45 minutes, maybe if Jesse has 3 kids, so 4 hours. But the idea behind it obviously is making sure that everything is repeatable and consistent for them, because they will keep coming back to a business where they know exactly what to expect every single time.
Yep, I totally agree there. It's ease of use expectations and then making it easy for you as a shop owner to get paid. So if you give them all the options on how to pay, it's going to be faster and easier for them to pay you. So I
It's
think
one of the
having it,
reasons why you 360 Payments launched consumer financing a few years ago. It's one of the reasons why that became so popular when it launched, because it was baked directly into the shop management system, right? It wasn't this
yep,
swivel chair process anymore of service advisor saying, okay, you owe 1347 on this vehicle repair, but I need to hop over to my finance portal to see what you qualify for, to see what I can get you for a rate, to see what you're going to pay monthly. All
right.
of that being baked into the shop management system, the exact root of exactly what we're talking about, which is making it easy and more convenient for them.
It all makes sense. Having it all rolled up and wrapped together in the technology they're already using, that's the way to do it for sure.